So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from, this is a spare of the moment thing. We are at the Aris, I think it's called. We're going to come back down here after. But my friend has just called me, Parry. She's got a condo here and we're quickly going to look at it. She's just picked me up 10 minutes ago. I think, guys, I don't even know, I didn't even see what it was called. We're going to look at all this after. This is the pool, lovely pool, but they're waiting for me. So let's do this. Parry with some of her friends. Right, so we're on the 5th floor. This is a spare of the moment vlog. Remember the Chamonix? That's right next door in Mahidol. So we've been here before, but they wouldn't let us in. It's called the Arise in Mahidol. So open plan bedroom, look, with the sliding door. I know some people don't like that. It's compact again, but they all are, right? They're all compact. But you know, we went to the new one, right, near Central. What was it called? The Base. This is already a better layout than the Base, right? Ah, yeah, I like the kitchen, not too bad. It's nice kitchen. It's compact. Nice small little balcony, lovely area. So you got the Mushroom Cafe right next door, the Mushroom. It's not called the Mushroom, the Mushroom. And the Chamonix that we done 2 vlogs. I'll show you in a minute when we go downstairs. I'm going to show everything. It's a bit of a strange setup. You've got like a balcony outside your balcony. Okay, got your aircon and that. Look, 2 of them. One for your bedroom. Nice compact kitchen. Place to eat your dinner. Is that a cooking stove? Yeah, you got your cooking stove there. And you got your 1 bathroom. Hey, this is nice, clean. This is a brand new one, I would say. Looks brand new. With your divider there, look, into your bedroom. Let's have a look out. So you haven't got a balcony here, but nice and green down this way. Got your aircon. I know what a lot of you are going to say. They're really boxy, but this is definitely a better layout than some of the other ones, I think. There's some storage, should I say it? Little, yeah, little place like this. This place for sale or for rent? For sale. Okay, and how much is this? And this one 2.3 million. 2.3 million. Yes, so all and electrical, TV, refrigerator, washing machine. Everything included. Yes. Okay, 2.3 million. For the rent it out. Okay, what other extra costs are in this place? You need to pay communal fee? Communal fee, common fee is 60 baht. 60 baht. Per square meter is around 1,800 per month. 1,800 per month. And you get free use of all the extras here, swimming pool, gym? Yes. Okay. Hey, so that is the studio. You like it, right? I like it. When can I move in? So no earthquake damage here, guys. So it's not a high. Oh, how many floors here? Only 5. Yeah, only 5. So this is the top floor. Right. So now, guys, we're going to look at the 1-bedroom apartment, which I'm probably going to like even more. Okay. 1-bedroom apartment. Okay. Ah, yeah, nice. So you get like the bigger bedroom and the kitchen in with the living room. Look, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, I like this actually. Compact, but utilising the space a little bit more. And then you've got your balcony here. Let's have a little look a minute. I do like it down this area. It's always nice and quiet. You got the cafe over there, as I said. Hey, that is the cafe. That's the car park for Mushroom. That's the cafe right there. It's definitely one of the better layouts. Okay. And here's your bedroom, look. Got the bathroom again, same as the studio. Looks like the same size. It's brand new.
It's really brand new.
Right, yeah, I thought so. Okay, nobody's lived in here. Got a big window. Let's have a look out here. Yeah, same again, look. Looking out over the cafe car park. Might get a bit hot in here during the day. Oh yeah, you have got the curtain as well, look. Yeah. I'm glad I've looked at this place. I remember we've been here before on a vlog. The guy didn't let me in on the gate. I always wanted to look at this one. That's a hard one, mate. That's a hard mattress. I have to admit, that is a hard one. Something you could sort out, no doubt, right? So how much would this one be?
This one is 2.6 million.
2.5 million. 2.6 million. Okay. With the same add-ons as well. Okay. 2.6 million, guys. I will put the in dollars on the screen and British pounds as well. So none of these places are for rent. You cannot rent here. Okay. So what would this be for rent?
15,000 per month.
15,000 per month. Contract?
1 year.
1 year contract. And the studio?
Studio is 13.
13,000 1 year. Right, so you can rent here as well, but you would prefer sale, right? So yeah, either way you can rent here or buy the place. We'll look outside as well in a minute at the swimming pool and stuff. Yeah, it's worth a look, right? We're gonna look at the swimming pool and the gym. Very nice, clean building. Looks very clean, look. Clean building. Nice wide hallways. Okay. I want to see the pool and stuff, mate. Looks like it's going to tip down again as well. Let's have a quick look before it rains too much. Hey, it's a nice pool, right? With the bridge going, over. Really? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. I've seen a lot, and this one is a nice one. Maybe the Astra at the top. That's a nice one too. So you have like a co-working space. I'll just show this a minute before it rains. Yeah, you can swim all the way around, and there's the greens up there. They're not like overlooking a hell of a lot, but I know some people don't like that. And in here you've got your gym and that, I suppose. Don't want to get the place dirty.
In the downstairs we have about a sauna and steam room.
Oh, sauna and steam room. Okay.
This one separate women and men.
Okay, changing rooms.
Yes.
And we'll have a look in a minute. Yeah, meeting room. I'll have the gym. Nice sized gym. Oh, nice and cool. Hey, that's nice, right? That's nice. Not got a hell of a lot of stuff, but you know, what do you need? Oh yeah, there is some dumbbells. Somebody working out. There's some dumbbells around the corner, but we're not gonna. There's somebody in there, so. And this goes out onto the pool again.
5 building same.
Right, okay. Raining now, but yeah, there's different zones, guys. So they all the same though, right? All different size rooms? Same, okay. Same, but all different zones. Just want to show this bridge a minute. So this is, look, goes over the pool. You can walk back into your digs over the pool while your missus is swimming underneath it. There you go. It's one of the better ones that we've looked at, I think. There you go, guys, the Arise. So it's tipping down with rain, but we are right next to La Chamonix, and I think this one is better than when we looked at La Chamonix. This one looks a better layout. The room looked better, I think. Arise Mahi Do. There's the beautiful Paris. She is chauffeuring me around today. And this is a popular area now, Paris, right? Lots of expats live here.
Very close to town.
Yeah, not too
Like
far.
road already.
And yeah, the rain's coming again. I just want to show you where we are. So this, yeah, Mahi Do Road. So if you take a right, you go down to like Padet or Nong Hoi, and just a few minutes up here you're in near Airport Plaza or the airport. So it's easy to get from the airport. I will leave all the information down below if anybody's interested. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one.